Hello, freelancers! Imagine working with the waves of the ocean in the background. In this section, we will be sharing with you some amazing freelance gigs that allow you to work from anywhere. Whether it's your cozy home or a tropical beach, get ready to find the ultimate work-life balance. In today's video, we're going to review and guide you through the process of finding online translation jobs with DailyTranslate. DailyTranslate is a leading localization solution committed to delivering exceptional language services. How to apply as a freelancer with DailyTranslate. At the bottom of their website, you'll find a Become a Translator section. Click that button and it will redirect you to an online application form. For those of you looking for more translation and interpretation opportunities, we have a PDF book that contains over 1,000 translation and interpretation jobs. It's available for purchase at ko-fi.com and also on amazon.com. Check the link in the description and take your skills to the next level. If you want to watch more videos like this, please check out this playlist.